Hola, mi amo Dorian, joined by, I don't know how to speak Spanish after that, joined by my wife and celebrity menswear stylist, Ashley Weston.
Hi there.
Super happy to have you on the show today, Ashley.
What?
Okay.
Likewise.
Guys, this video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful website. So fellas, we're talking about the best sneakers of 2019. You've requested it, you've wanted it, you've needed it. A lot of finger pistols going on.
Okay, so first up, we've got this one by Nike. So right now there is a huge demand for retro sneakers. These ones were actually originally made in the late 80s. Stop being so weird. In the late 80s.
I owned these in the late 80s.
Yep, and so they re-released them in a couple of bright colorways. This particular colorway I love, but there's two other ones as well which are awesome. It's a suede and nylon upper. And it just pairs great with your jeans, your chinos. Just a wonderful, all-around great retro sneaker if that's what you're looking for. So this next one is definitely a classic as well. It's by Vans. So I particularly love the black and white color scheme or the navy and white color scheme because it's more of a neutral color, so it'll pair easily with anything in your existing closet. And also, I mean, the price is fantastic. So it's just one of those sneakers that I think every person should own, whether you're a man or a woman, does not matter, young or old. It's just such a great classic sneaker.
I love that they come pre-shrunk. That's my favorite. Because these are little baby shoes, basically. I think
I'm adding these to my closet.
I think these might have been purchased for a very personal reason.
Okay, so for the next shoe I've included on my list, I had to make sure that we covered a running shoe. So these are probably the most comfortable running sneakers out there. They're by Adidas. So they're the Ultra Boost, but so Adidas just recently updated the design of the Ultra Boost. It's pretty similar, but just slight little tweaks. Some of the new colorways are fantastic.
Fire, as the kids say these days.
Fire. And I particularly love this color scheme here. But there's a couple other ones that I'll definitely include in the article for you guys to check out. But love these sneakers, and again, they are so comfortable. So if you like more of a running sneaker kind of street wear vibe to your shoes, then definitely pick these up.
I would say you don't even need to have that inclination.
Yeah.
They are just so freaking comfortable. You're not going to want to wear anything else. I own the first version of the Ultra Boost as well, and these are going to be making it in my closet as well because it's time. And fellas, before we get into the next shoe that I am eagerly anticipating as well, I want to tell you quickly about Squarespace. I've been a personal user of theirs for many years now. I have to say, their site builder is easy to use, it's elegant, it works very, very, very well, and they have a crap ton of themes to choose from a variety of different types of websites. If it's e-commerce, if it's for your personal portfolio, if it's for showing off your hot fire sneakers to all your friends outside of just the gram, you definitely want to start with Squarespace. It is, again, I'm a personal user of theirs because it is so freaking awesome. And when they came and said, we want to sponsor a video or 2 or 3, I went, you guys are amazing, let's just do it. And Ash, what do the guys need to do if they want to start their own website as well?
Yep, sign up for a free trial using our unique URL, which we'll link down below, but it's basically just /AWX Inc.
Guys, check it out. We wouldn't take on the sponsor if we weren't users of them already.
Okay, so for this next sneaker, I wanted to mix up the style a bit more. So for this one, we've got these high tops by Wolverine. So I've got to credit Dorian for this find because he was wearing them one day.
These are my personal shoes.
Yep.
These are mine.
He showed up one day and I saw them. I'm like, wait, those are really nice. Who makes those? So I had to include them in this list. They come in a couple different colors, and they also have a low top version in case you want a low top version, but love the high top version. And he's been wearing them for months and months and months now, and they've held up extremely well.
Seriously, these aren't clean. These I just go like this. That's it. Very little wrinkles. Wonderful kind of patina they get after a little wear. I huge fan, and they're really freaking comfortable. You think of kind of the flat soles like this as being not comfortable. These are very comfortable. The inserts are really, really good. And it's by Wolverine, the boot company of all places. So their leathers are really, really nice as well. So definitely check them out. I saw these and went, I don't normally like high tops, but I think I gotta try these out. And I'm glad that I did.
Okay guys, so before we get into my last favorite sneaker for 2019, I just want to let you know, definitely make sure to check out the article which we've linked below that includes all of these sneakers that we were talking about, as well as a couple more of my favorite ones. And please do yourself a service. If you think
do a service for you.
Do yourself, what was it?
A favor.
A favor. If you think you might want one of these sneakers, get them now, because I don't want to hear anyone saying that the links no longer work because it's sold out. So just get it while you can. Okay, so the last and final sneaker for 2019 that I really love are these ones by New Balance. So they kind of have a retro-y look to them. They're super comfortable. Dorian owns a pair. I've got a couple clients that own a pair. They look great with everything. They have a super sleek design. I particularly love this blue color because it has a more of a monochrome look to it. The laces, the all the different finishes of here, it all matches.
Yep.
But if you want something more colorful, they have a ton of different colorways that will suit whatever kind of vibe you want to go for with your sneaker.
Or you can own multiple pairs.
Or you can own multiple pairs as well. But just it's a great sneaker to own if this is the style that you kind of want to go for. But I love it. I absolutely love it.
Okay. Fellas. Thumbs if you like this one, subs if you loved it. If you got sneakers that you love, that you think are the penultimate, the best, the top dogs for 2019, leave them in the description below. Always
These are
curious
my
to see.
favorites. So.
Okay, but I want to hear what the audience likes. Listen, some of these shoes I'm taking home with me. Maybe I'll take home a couple other ones. I don't know, from the comment section. That's what I'm looking for. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.